The first thing that you should do is visit Amazon. After that, search for any audiobook that you like. You can possibly earn a lot from these audiobooks. Remember that you're not required to publish your own book, do any editing, or create any graphic designs. Make sure that you listen to everything that I'll say in order to make this one correctly and to make sure that you maximize your potential income from this opportunity. The next website that I will ask you to visit is acx.com. This website will help you convert books into audiobooks, and that's not all. You can also publish your audiobooks on different platforms like iTunes, Amazon, and Audible. Well, do not worry, as you do not have to write any ebooks just to do this one. Let us quickly go over the steps to start with this new income stream. Of course, it is important to create your own ACX account. Creating a free account means you can upload as many free samples as you like. If you submit the book to ACX, which will most likely be read by other people, you'll instantly get paid. You can also get paid in various payment methods, so you don't have to worry about how you'll get your money. You'll also have two options to get paid. Either you'll base it on the completed hours that you've spent working, or split the royalties 50-50. So yes, it is also possible that you get paid per minute that you're reading on the screen. But before you get to the part where you'll be earning, you first have to take an audition. You can use any ebook that you feel like using and create your own audio sample. Once you're chosen to work on their platform, you'll get paid every day. Don't worry, as I'll be revealing another tool later that you can surely use to help you on this journey. What I want you to remember is that everything is free. All the websites and the tools that I'll be talking about in this video are free of charge, and you can use each of them to maximize your earning potential. The next tool that I'll be showing you will help you with the scripts. The thing is, you do not have to read any of the scripts anymore. You don't need to buy the equipment needed in order to finish the audio for the ebooks that you'll possibly be doing. This tool can even help you pass the audition, which is a convenient way to earn money. Consider this, if you don't have time to do much and only spend a little time, you could earn up to $300 right away. I hope you're still here with me because the next thing that I'll be talking about is an essential part of this money-making journey. I also want you to know that there are about 2,000 audition samples for a variety of ebooks. You'll be given scripts to read the given ebooks. Once you're done with that step, you'll be approved and they'll now be paying you. But before we get into all that, I'll first give you time to subscribe to this channel and have the chance to watch other money-making related content that you can watch so that if you have spare time, you can use it and earn through different opportunities out there. Other people for sure will be going through the audition, reading the script, and even buying the microphone and other devices that will be needed for recording the audio for the ebooks. Apart from that, they'll still have to read the script and spend hours just trying to finish it. But you don't have to deal with those things. You'll not have to go through that hustle though, because I'll assist you and you'll be earning as quickly and conveniently as possible. The next website that will help you with this method is TTSREADER.com. That's the first free tool that I'll be sharing with you in this video. All you have to do is copy the whole script and paste it on the box that you'll see on the screen. If you explore TTSREADER.com, you'll see the box that I'm talking about. You also have the chance to choose the voice that you prefer. What a thrilling way to make money, right? I mean, this is a really great way to build another income stream, considering that you do not have to spend so much of your time and you know how to use helpful tools. Then there's a guarantee that you'll be earning extra cash even without putting in so much effort. As an example, you can choose a voice that has a United Kingdom accent. You can do that. There are also voices with other accents. You can choose between a male or a female voice. Once you're satisfied with the voice you've chosen, you can now highlight the whole script and click the play button that you see in the upper part of the screen. If you're wondering how this is possible, then TTSREADER is using an AI technology to make it all happen. Once you're done with all that, you can now submit your audio sample to acx.com. I have another free tool for you. Well, you're in for a treat because we're not going to gatekeep any information from you. You should try to visit naturalreaders.com. This website is much more fun than the previous one I told you about. This one can provide you with a more natural voice. Just like the previous application, you can choose from different voice options. Just download it onto your computer. To sum it all up, the opportunity that ACX gives you is limitless. You can earn as much as you want or need. You can even do it whenever you have free time and wherever you are. If you have a daytime job, you can do it once you get home. The money you'll earn from this can greatly help you, especially if you're still a student. That's all I have for you.